Kettp 3T 2002 Post Triple Stacker Parking Lift, a versatile and space-saving solution designed to accommodate 3 vehicles in a single unit. With a robust 2,000 kilograms capacity per platform, this 3-level 2-post car stacker is perfect for maximizing parking efficiency in residential garages, public parking facilities, and commercial car storage. Built for strength and stability, the 3T 2000 model features positioning anti-falling locks in both posts, ensuring maximum safety during operation. The double-cylinder and chain system enables smooth, synchronized lifting, providing fast and efficient vehicle access. This lift is designed for both head-in and back-in parking, making it convenient for drivers to maneuver their vehicles. To enhance safety, an automatic shut-off key switch stops operation immediately when released, preventing accidental activation. The structure is reinforced with 3 connection rods beneath the platform, increasing overall stability and durability. Additionally, the galvanized wave plate on the platform offers corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term reliability, especially for outdoor installations. With hydraulic overloading protection, the 3T 2000 prevents excessive weight loads, safeguarding the lift's components and extending its lifespan. The combination of hydraulic and chain synchronization ensures that both sides of the lift remain balanced at all times. The reinforced steel structure allows the lift to handle heavy loads with enhanced durability. This triple car stacker is designed for wide applications, from public parking lots and residential garages to commercial storage facilities. The ground level is ideal for large SUVs, while the upper platforms accommodate sedans, making it a versatile solution for various parking needs. Customization is key. The 3T 2000 model offers adjustable platform width, lift height, and control arm placement to suit different parking requirements. Customers can also choose from various finishing options, including powder coating, paint, and hot dip galvanizing, for enhanced durability and rust protection. Additionally, premium electric control systems, weatherproof designs, and remote operation features further enhance the lift's convenience and usability. With a fast installation process and multiple safety features, the Kettp 3T 2002 Post Triple Stacker Lift is the ultimate solution for increasing vehicle storage capacity while saving valuable space.